Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a eyebrow tutorial. You guys have been requesting this for months and months and months, and I never do it because my eyebrows are so weird. Like one day they'll be so good and then the next day they'll be like ugh, you know. So before we jump into the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and let's get on to the video. Alright, so my brows, they do have hair, but they're very sparse, if you can say. I'm missing hairs like right here, around this area. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can tell. So first we're gonna be shaving them, like completely shaving the eyebrow. Just kidding. So now I'm gonna take my little shaver and I'm just shaving the middle. Can you guys like, oh, that, look at that hair, that's disgusting. So next I'm taking a spoolie and I'm just brushing my hairs up. I'm gonna pick up my eyebrow like that and I'm just gonna start shaving the bottom. So now I'm just brushing them down and we're gonna shave the top, which I don't really do a lot, just pretty much get the little hairs. So the first product we're taking is the e.l.f. Lock-In-On Liner and Brow Cream. I am obsessed with this. You guys know I've been using it forever. This is like my 4th pot, to be honest. So the first brush I'm picking up is the Party Queen makeup brush, and this is just a regular angled brush, and we're going to use this to carve out the brows. So first we're just going to go ahead and comb through the brows. I'm going to push them up. So I like to start off right here, which is a little bit towards the front, but not completely in the front. So we're going to put our brush right there, and we're just going to start carving out the bottom. And we're going to make the tail. And now we're just going to go ahead and carve the top out. I'm going to grab my handy dandy spoolie again, and we're just going to brush through and blend out whatever we just did. Not completely blend out because we're still going to have the lines there, but if we added like any extra product, it'll blend out. So the next product that I've been using, I just got actually about a week ago and I'm obsessed with it. It is called the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer, which is also in medium brown. So with this product, I just fill the brow in. When I'm filling it in, I'm using like really light strokes. You don't want to press too hard because then it's going to look like you drew your eyebrows on with a crayon, and you don't want that. I'm just brushing through while I'm doing that because I also don't want them too dark. So to clean up the brows, we're taking a little tiny brush exactly like this and the NYX Full Coverage Concealer. So we go right under the tail first and just start going right against it like that. I'm gonna kind of drag the product down so we can blend it out. Normally nobody really does the top part of their brow, but I do. So yeah. So for the top part of my brow, I'm just going right on top. I'm not going completely on the line, as you can tell. I'm going right over. So like that. Then we're gonna kind of blend it in. So now I'm just taking a blending brush and we're just blending out the concealer. So now I'm gonna do the other brow and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished result of my eyebrows. I really like the way they came out. Always remember, your brows are not twins, they're not sisters, they're long lost cousins. But if one day they're twins or sisters, girl, I'm so proud of you because I can never get my brows to look the same. Never. And I have no makeup on because, as y'all know, I always do my eyebrows first. So I'm going to do like a get ready with me type of video right now, which will be up on Monday. So yeah, I will talk to you guys and see you on Monday. Bye.